Hello, super great day, super great afternoon. Welcome to a new day. Welcome to a new vlog. Today it is a Monday. The date is I don't know. Yeah, but it is a Monday for sure. And yeah, man, welcome to a new week. Previously on my previous vlog, I know I did a voiceover because guys, I had just landed from Johannesburg and I thought to myself, before I pack this grocery or snacks or whatever that I had bought, let me just quickly show them as my last bit of my vlog so that I can quickly go to sleep. Literally landed at 6 a.m. and I did that video and I was like, you know what, I'm not about to speak right now. I don't have the energy. So I was like, okay, let's try to do a voiceover, and it worked. If you are new here, welcome, honey. I hope you love it here, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know the drill. Love you lots. Today is Monday. It's a new week. We have 2 flights this week, Singapore and Johannesburg. I know you're gonna think, hey, well, didn't you just do Singapore and Johannesburg? Yeah, I'm doing it again, okay? So today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we're off to Singapore, Thursday, Friday, Saturday we come back and we're off to Joburg, like same time. Everything's just happening. But anyway, it's okay. I am ready. I look news. I am ready for a day of shopping. So I'm gonna go out just now. I got a few stuff yesterday from I had a package. I had ordered a new tripod and a white carpet, and as well as a pillowcase, which I will show you guys later. So I'm gonna go shop for a pillow, for this specific pillowcase of mine, and I will show you guys later. And otherwise, welcome to a new vlog. Stay tuned. Before I forget to show you guys, this is the carpet that I got. It's white, so yeah. Guys, we are back from the mall. So I bought 2 pillows. So this is a pillow number 1. They were too cheap, so I was like, why not buy 2? Instead of going and buying 1 pillow. It didn't make sense to me. And then I got some stuff at Bath and Body Works. So the smaller ones will be for my bag, small bag. I got candles. It smells so good. And yeah, basically that's all that I got today. So I'm gonna refresh and sleep. Guys, I couldn't wait to show you this. I bought something, right? I bought a pillowcase, and this is what's written on the pillowcase. So I'll be waking up next to this every single morning. It says my daily affirmations. Okay, the first one here says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That's Philippians 4 verse 13. This one here says, I will not fear evil. That's Psalms 23 verse 4. The other one says, I will trust in the Lord with all my heart. I was created for such a time as this. The Lord will fight for me. I am the head and not the tail. I am more than a conqueror through him that loves me. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. God is my strength and shield. If God is for me, who can be against me? I will not be moved. Fear is a liar. And the last one says, the Lord is my rock, my fortress, and deliverer. I'm so excited for this pillow. Like every single morning, I'll be waking up next to this and I'll be saying these scriptures. I think this will actually help me. You know, it's daily affirmations. I'll be speaking scriptures into life, into my life, yeah, and into this life. Love it. Super great day, super great evening. I'm kidding, guys. Today it is a Wednesday. It's Wednesday evening currently, and we are back in Singapore. Kuningi, guys. Yeah, it's been a journey coming here. It's been a journey coming here, and yeah, we're here. Just had my shower, and I'm super hungry. I'm super hungry. And guess what? I do have some snacks. I have my instant noodles, but I'm not gonna have that. Like, after the flight that I had, I deserve to eat a proper meal. I deserve to eat a proper meal, not ama noodles, man. No. So I'm going to order room service and sleep. Then tomorrow, my colleagues and I planned to go out. So hopefully, inshallah, that will happen, and then we can go sightseeing. All right, so that's it from me tonight. great day, super great evening. Today it is a Thursday, and I just quickly came out of the shower, and I'm just here to do a quick get ready with me. When I say quick, I mean it's gonna be very fast, okay? Usually I don't do this. I don't like get readies with me because they distract me. They are a distraction because this is the time I'm supposed to be focusing and not missing any step. But I thought to myself, I have a mirror in front of me, so I'm going to be looking there so that I don't make mistakes. So I thought to myself, let me just do it and get it over and done with so that I also get used to it, okay? So I just quickly bathed, hopped out, got inside my pajamas because I need to... Okay, first things first, I washed my face. After that, I put a moisturizer. You guys know this moisturizer. And some baseline Vaseline. So the reason why I put Vaseline is because, once again, it is very dry in the aircraft. So to keep my skin hydrated, I use Vaseline, and then I put my makeup on top of that Vaseline, because anyway, when I get on that aircraft for hours, after hours I become very dry. So, and then after that, Estee Lauder is my girl, so I put the foundation on. But I did tell you guys that I don't do much, but you guys still want to see it get ready with me, so I put a foundation on. All right, I know I promised you guys that I was going to go out sightseeing. I clearly underestimated how tired I was, because we had a delay in coming in here. So I was up from 11 p.m. and I got to Singapore. I got to Singapore at 3 p.m. So I was up for a very long time, you see. So I underestimated how everybody would be so tired. All of us were tired. All the crew was tired. Well, the people that I was supposed to go with. In the morning, we were all like, you know what, guys, we can't do it. It's okay. Let's sleep. Let's give our bodies some grace. So we didn't go. It happens, guys. After all, I'm in these countries because I'm working, not because I want to go sightseeing. So I give my body some grace. Instead, we will sightsee some other time. I know this is not my last time. I know. Here. Okay, as soon as I'm done with my foundation, I use this concealer. Like, I really want to show you guys that I do nothing basically for makeup. I use it under my eye. Like, I want to show you guys that literally, I guess I'm just a natural beauty, because this is all I do. Okay, I just set that up for my eyeshadow. Okay, then I come in with my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna show you guys the shades that I use for work. So I use this shade here and this one, the finished one. Yeah, this one and that one. Those are the two shades that are allowed that I can use for work, for my skin, whatever, for my skin tone. I don't know why I'm holding this so weird. Okay, as soon as I'm done with that, I literally assume that my concealer is in and it needs to be blended. So I take another sponge, which I use for concealer only, and I try to blend it in. I tried using brushes, but clearly I am the problem. I can't use brushes to blend. I can't for days. Like, I am the problem. I get it. It's okay. Do whatever that works for you. I'm done with that. This is the brush I use. And then I use okay, it's finished, guys. Please don't judge me. But it's a pen. It's a brown gel. It's a brown gel that I had. I used to use this long time ago when I used to draw, like when I used to draw eyebrows, but I don't anymore. So I just take the gel and I just highlight. That's it. Last but not least, brush. Blush. This is my blush. I use this one for work. And I come in with my blush. I never used to use blush. I only started using it when I got here. When I went for my checks, they were like, use a little bit of blush. It makes you look beautiful. And I loved it since whoever that said that actually was right. It looks cute on me. I guess my makeup looked too simple, too dull, but this blush, child, it makes a whole lot of difference. Basically, that's it. And then I base. Lastly, I base everything with this spray. I didn't really like install this hair. I just only pasted this part. And don't judge me, please. I just only pasted this part because, I mean, it's like out there. So I was like, I'm not gonna do this here. I'm just gonna paste it here. So I do this because this is the only way the bun can actually be formed. Otherwise, I can't do the bun when it's straight like this. So this helps me to at least make a bun. This morning, I had a worship session, guys. It was so wholesome. And I've just been singing this song in my heart. Got a call. Oh, as I was saying, I was listening to worship this morning. Like I was in a very wholesome worship. And I've just been singing this song. And the angels cry. Oh, you see, when I start singing, like I don't know how to sing. It irritates me. And then I take, okay. And the angels cry, holy, all creation sings, holy, you are lifted. Risk Taker is my name, because tell me, why did I book an appointment for my lashes and nails for 12 midday tomorrow when I should be resting and sleeping? As soon as I'm done, we need to cover the bun all the time, guys, all the time. It's part of image standard so that it's not messy. And then lastly, the famous syringe. And done. Okay, gonna put on my pearl earrings. Do you see the vision? That's it. Let's get inside the uniform now. Hey, When Thando, your music is boring. Hey. Change the music. Guys. Hi, you guys. Man, I'll change the music some other time. I just don't have time this week, so you'll have to bear with me. You just have to listen to whatever that I put. Miss, you guys are here for me, miss. Ne? You're not here for the music. We are almost done. I'm having coffee. Cheers. Watch ID. Don't ask me about the skirt. Don't ask me anything. Okay. Oreos. Cheers. Water. Cheers. Wanyama hang monate. The girl smells good. And don't ask me why I'm bathing with it. I bathed. Last thing, lipstick. It's a brown eyeliner. Today I'm going with this. Later I'll top it up with a gloss. See you guys back in Dubai. Super great day. Today it is a Friday and I'm so exhausted, yo. I went for my lashes and nail appointment. Yeah, thank you. I'm kidding, guys. And then as soon as I was done, I saw some waffle store. It seemed like they just recently opened. So I was like, you know what? let me support a small business. They just opened, like literally, like it was a bit empty, you know, when they are still in the process of building. And then, so I went in, I was like, can I please have an iced coffee because it's quite hot. And waffle. I also got a cinnamon bun. I am gonna try it as well. But otherwise, Libyang guys. Likai. Ninjani. Tomorrow we off to South Africa, and I think the most exciting part right now, and what I'm actually excited about, is that I've never like traveled to South Africa on this time using this specific aircraft. So I'm kind of excited about it because I'll be on a Boeing and operating on different times. So I mean, I'm gonna have the whole entire day in SA, and I'm gonna go to church, and I'm super excited because we're gonna get to SA at night and then go to and then I will go to church, obviously. Yeah, and then that means that the vlog won't be up on Sunday, unfortunately. The vlog is not going to be up on Sunday, but rather it will be up on Monday. Sorry, hey, sorry. I apologize, okay? We can share my waffle and iced coffee. Yeah, hope you guys forgive me, but yeah. Anyway, let's prepare for tomorrow.
Later. 3 days later. 12.
Good morning. Today it is a Monday. Guess what time it is? It's currently 10:30 a.m. I just landed. You see that uniform behind me? I just literally took it off, ran to the shower, showered, came here so that I can shoot the last piece of the vlog. Remember that we went to Johannesburg. Guys, hectic 9-9. Only managed to go to church, obviously. Had a very wonderful time, wholesome time in South Africa. Came back, shopped for my daughter. I'm gonna show you guys actually the stuff that I got for her, and got some snacks and some meat. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay. Ooh, Tando, how do you travel with meat from South Africa to Dubai? I can do it, it's doable. So I got this beef, it's steak. Someone said, actually commented and said I should be saying the prices of the things that I buy. I can only be able to remember the things that have price tag on. So this is like 90 rand steak. Here, bacon. I can never leave South Africa without bacon. Oh, bolala, I am just a girl. So I bought this for my food, for my feet. So it's a foot care. A exfoliator, hand cream, Cuban. I don't know, I thought it should be great. It should be great for me to start taking care of my feet, you know. They should be in its soft life era. These snacks will be for my layover, so hence I took small packets. If you can suggest a better mousse for my wigs, please do, okay? Whew. Guys, I just got some order. This is my chamomile tea and a breakfast wrap. Guys, I'm super hungry. I'm just gonna quickly pause on my haul, okay? And yap a little bit. And yap just a little bit, okay? Like, what in the world? Sana and Salambanga. I'm super hungry, guys. Like, we left SA yesterday at 10 and we just arrived now in Dubai at 9, and I just got home now at 10 and I'm getting ready for bed. It's a lot. It's a lot. Okay guys, so that's all that I got from Johannesburg. And also that. Okay, so this is the end of this week's vlog. I understand that I was a bit late. The problem is if I'm working on Saturday and Sunday, it's quite tricky for me to upload the video on Sundays. Yeah, sorry about that. But I promise you guys, I'll put this up as soon as possible, okay? Thank you so much if you've made it this far for watching. I am kind of tired and some things that I say won't make sense because I haven't had sleep in hours. And yeah, man. So I'm just gonna show you guys the last bit of the clothes that I bought for my daughter. Enjoy. See you guys next week, same place, same time, same place. No, not same time because it never comes on. You know what? It's okay. Bye.